What's going on, guys? In this video inside of the Facebook Ads Mastery, I will be going over inside the actual ads manager, inside my business manager account. I'm going to be going over all the ins and outs of the different tools and stuff inside here, and then we'll be going more in depth in certain areas of the tools that I will be talking about. So let's just kind of dive right in, guys. As you see, I'm going to be using a ad account called Extra. Probably around the whole time I'll be doing this training, just so it doesn't confuse you guys and you guys get distracted with a bunch of ads and stuff that I have on my personal ad account. So right now, like I said, I'm inside my ads manager. So ads manager, it has some tools right here. So if you scroll down and go over all tools, it's going to pull up this type of page. Now this is going to give you all sorts of different options and different tools that you can click and learn from. Now on here you have your ads manager. So ever case you want to get back to the main ads manager for an ad account, you would just click on that and it will load this page right here. With Facebook ads too, real quick, there is always going to be 3 sections of an actual Facebook ad. And they're broken down in campaigns, which is going to be the objective of an ad. And there's going to be a video that I'm going to be diving in with kind of, what campaigns are, what ad sets are, and what ads are. But there's campaigns, which are picking the objective, ad sets, which is all your targeting and, creating an audience and who you'll be putting this in front of, where you're placing it, and how much you're spending. And this is actually going to be the ad itself, which is going to be the video or image that you're using, the headline and text, along with the call to action. So there's 3 different sections in here. And again, I'll be showing you guys more in depth about what a campaign is, what an ad set is, and what an ad is. So if we go into Ads Manager up here, you'll look, it's going to give me a section called Billing. Pretty self-explanatory. This is my billing section of the ad account. Excuse me, of my phone going off. This is going to be the billing. So this is going to be adding any billing information. Anytime I want to check how much my budget is, how much I have spent, I can go into billing. Business settings brings the business settings section that we saw earlier. I'm just going to click that real quick to show you guys what it will bring up. It will bring up this page to where I can add ad accounts. I can delete, I can add people, I can add pages, add Instagram accounts, integrate certain integrations if I want, requests. So if I have requests inside of my ad account, somebody wants to give me requests, keep that in mind too with business owners. If you're requesting access, they should have requests down here. Notifications, my business info, payments, and so on. So that's in your business section settings. So if I go back into Ads Manager, and I'm going to pull up my All Tools again, I want to show you what All Tools is. Audience Insights, for example, is where we can do all of our, so I'm inside the wrong ad account. Let me go inside Action or Extra. Now I'm inside of here. I want to go in Ads Manager and Audience Insights. Now Audience Insights is going to be where I can build out audiences of targeting, certain targeting. So if I am, for example, wanting to build out an audience targeting people that want to lose weight, I can build out an audience around that. Or if I have an affiliate product, depends on what the product is, I can build out an audience there. Creative Hub is where you can kind of build out certain ad images and copies. Basically you can create the actual ad itself inside of the Creative Hub, so you can dive into that. Business Manager, again, this will bring your actual business manager up with all of your different ad accounts, pages that you have. Page Post, this is pretty cool because Page Post, you can actually go in here and look at all the posts that you have on your pages, look at all your ad posts, which I consider dark posts, and also scheduled posts. So this is a key one too if you want to automate your page. You can actually go into here and schedule all your posts, to schedule one post a day, so you don't have to go in and actually post everything. You can schedule everything out. App dashboard, this is going to show you all your app information. App helper, and that's going to help you with your creating ads around your app. And then the automated rule is going to teach you how to automate some stuff and the rules behind that. We won't dive much into these unless you guys have app information or have an app you're trying to put out. Maybe you want to go into these two right here. Now, ad reporting. This will basically show you all of your reports from your ads so you can pull your data. Test and learn. This is basically if you want to test and learn which basically ad is working, ad copy. So you can kind of go in that section if you want. I don't really use that. I actually just go inside and actually place ads and do it that way. Analytics. This shows you all the analytics behind a certain ad account or behind a certain page. So with how many people are engaging with it, all across all different platforms, the different websites you have attached to your pixel. This will show you all your analytics inside of here. Events Manager. So this is going to show you how to connect and view and manage different sorts of events, like your website events, your applications, your offline events, whether somebody's actually coming in a storefront. That's where you want to be able to manage all those. Now, in Facebook Pixels, this is the main one we'll be diving into. Facebook Pixels is going to be a piece of code that we put into a website that is basically going to be our tracking. How we can know how to improve certain ads, if we can scale certain advertisements, improve the targeting. Basically, this is what is going to create all of the good stuff to where we can put in $1 and get out 10, and then scale it to put in $1 and get out 100. The Pixel is going to be able to help us achieve that goal. So this is going to be a whole section in itself. Offline events, this is if you want to track offline events directly, whether it's like people coming in a storefront and so on and so forth. App events, this is how to measure your app activity and all your conversions and custom audiences you create if you have ads that you're running towards app installs or downloads. Custom conversions, this is basically a section that will be going over optimizing your tracking. When we install a pixel code on certain pages, we want to have a custom conversion around that page that pixel is going to go for. So I didn't mean to click that. So we'll dive more into that too in its own little section. Now, I'm back inside the Ads Manager. If I go back into All Tools, Partner and Integrations, this is creating your integrations to your page with different types of third-party services and stuff like that into your Business Manager and into your pages if you're wanting to track any other certain things or interactions. So I don't really use much of those as well. Audience Insights, or Audience, excuse me. This is where we'll build out our custom audiences, lookalike audiences, and the saved audiences that we would make inside Audience Insight would be underneath here. This is actually where you can manage and upload certain images for your ads, your pages, so on and so forth. This is basically like a little vault of images. Catalog, if you have actual products, you can, or your clients have products, you can upload the catalog inside of Facebook and actually do things like dynamic retargeting ads, which can actually utilize Facebook's AI technology and retarget people that have hit certain products and didn't buy. Business locations, this is where you can manage certain business locations. So you can create a location for when these offline events to track when people come in actual businesses. And videos, again, this is kind of similar to images. This is like a vault full of your videos for your ads and your pages and so on. So that is kind of a breakdown of all the sorts of different things you can do inside of your Ads Manager, inside of Business Manager. So let's kind of dive more in depth and let's go in and create this process. And I'm going to show you more in depth about audiences and pixels and custom conversions and page posts, and everything that you need to know to get a comfortable idea of how to run ads and utilize this awesome tool we have inside of Facebook.